Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your phone number on Bybit. If you'd like to link your mobile number to your Bybit account, here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Bybit app and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then, tap on the settings icon, the J symbol, at the top right to open your settings. Under Settings, select Security, and then tap on Mobile. Wait for the page to load, and you'll be able to add your phone number. To proceed, Bybit will send a verification code to your registered email address. Once you receive it, in this case, for example, 46938, enter the code. Next, select your country code and input your mobile number. Tap Receive Verification Code. A code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code, e.g., 017074, and your number will be successfully linked to your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.